Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to turn on Safe Search in Google Chrome. So to do that, head over to your Google Chrome application, and once you are there, just go to the three dots icon on the top right, and then go to Settings. And in here, just go to Privacy and Security. And here you will find the option of Safe Browsing. If you go on it, your standard protection, if it is not on, just make sure to turn it on. You can also enhance your protection or turn on in real-time proactive protection against dangerous sites, downloads, and extensions that are based on your browsing data getting sent to Google. So if you want to enhance it, just tap on Enhance Protection. And I am giving it on standard. So yeah, this is how you can just turn on Safe Search or Safe Browsing on your Google Chrome. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.